Hello, Moss Knuckles Elementary School. I'm meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. I hear you are studying weather, and I was about your all's age when I got interested in weather and meteorology. And so we're talking about some of the weather instruments and types of clouds that we look at. So the main types of clouds that we look at are stratus, cumulus, and cirrus. The cumulus and stratus clouds are the lower level clouds. They're usually a sign of fair weather. We call them fair weather cumulus clouds, the puffy white clouds in the blue sky. Now, the thinner clouds are what we call cirrus clouds. They are the thin clouds way up above, say, 30,000 feet, higher than Mount Everest, higher than, say, jet planes fly in some cases. And that's usually a sign of a weather pattern change whenever you see cirrus clouds. Now, the storm clouds are called cumulonimbus clouds, the tall clouds. And nimbus means rain. It's Latin for rain. And so whenever you see storm clouds like that, that's usually a sign of heavy rainfall. Looking at the weather instruments, of course, you know what a thermometer is. That measures the temperature. A barometer measures air pressure. High pressure, low pressure. Low pressure means bad weather. High pressure, happy weather, fine weather. A rain gauge measures rain. And of course, an anemometer is the wind speed. Looking at the wind vane, that's the wind direction. All right. And a hygrometer is what we measure humidity, relative humidity. And a wind sock, you usually see these at airports. It shows the wind direction in some cases. And of course, a compass, north, south, east, and west. We also use what we call Doppler Radar. This shows us precipitation. It shows rain, sleet, ice, snow, thunderstorms, even severe weather when it comes to hail and tornadoes. Another product we use is a satellite. This is the image from 22,000 miles up into space. This overlooks the globe, the United States, North America, and these are color-coded cloud tops. Whenever you see the bright orange and reds, those are very cold cloud tops, thunderstorms. And look at this. This is a storm system showing up across the Rockies and the desert Southwest. Where is this storm going? Well, we got to take a look at weather models. So there's that storm I showed you on satellite. Where is it going? Well, it's going to head to the east. It's going to head towards the East Coast in the coming days. So we look at forecast models over, say, 5 to 10 plus days to gauge where weather systems are going to go. So that's just a snapshot of how we look at the weather, predict the weather, and look at those different weather instruments. You can always go to NBC29mobile.com for your latest forecast. So keep up the great work and keep your questions coming. You can email me or find me on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram.